What recent reporting has exposed issues with Trump's reflecting pool? The surprising findings reveal hidden problems that challenge its grandeur and public perception. Recent investigative reports have uncovered significant structural flaws in Trump's reflecting pool. Journalists found evidence of cracks appearing in key areas and persistent leaks that have been costly to repair. These issues highlight possible shortcuts during construction or inadequate oversight, which contrast sharply with the pool's intended image of pristine luxury. The problems not only affect aesthetics, but also pose potential safety and environmental hazards. Beyond structural concerns, recent reporting has spotlighted the environmental impact of maintaining the reflecting pool. Investigations revealed high water consumption rates, which strain local water supplies, especially during drought conditions. Additionally, the energy required for filtration and circulation contributes to a larger carbon footprint. These revelations spark debate on balancing luxury with environmental responsibility in high-profile properties. Another key issue exposed by recent coverage is the lack of transparency regarding the pool's upkeep. Financial details, such as maintenance costs and water bills, have not been fully disclosed, leading to public concern and criticism. Advocates urge for more openness to hold property owners accountable and encourage sustainable practices. This demand for transparency is part of a wider push for environmental responsibility in private estates. The recent reports on Trump's reflecting pool reveal more than just a decorative feature. They expose underlying flaws, environmental concerns, and transparency gaps that challenge its image. Understanding these issues shows how even iconic landmarks face scrutiny in today's world. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.